Welcome to Informatica Cloud Integration Hub 101 on-demand course. In this module, we will explain publications in Informatica Cloud Integration Hub. After completing this module, you will be able to explain publication and publication process, describe publication mappings, define publication properties, and create publication. Consider you want to synchronize your accounts data from Salesforce to multiple applications like NetSuite, Workday, and Oracle. Instead of performing point-to-point integration, you choose to use Informatica Cloud Integration Hub. To do so, first you publish data from Salesforce to a topic in Informatica Cloud Integration Hub, and then all the applications subscribe the data from the topic. The entity that defines how applications such as Salesforce will publish data to Informatica Cloud Integration Hub include the type, format, and schedule of data is called as publication. All the formatting and cleansing of the data is done while publishing the data into the hub using Informatica Cloud mappings and tasks. Publications publish data to topics. Multiple publications can publish data to the same topic. Publications can publish from any type of source that Informatica Cloud supports. Let us now discuss publication process. Publication process includes retrieving the data from the publisher, running the publication mapping, and writing the data to the relevant topic in the publication repository. The publication process includes the following stages. When the publication is triggered, either according to specific schedule or by an external API, the Informatica Cloud Integration Hub server triggers the Informatica Cloud Task. Informatica Cloud extracts data from the source application using the Informatica Cloud Task. The Informatica Cloud Task uses Informatica Cloud Integration Hub Cloud Connector to write data to Informatica Cloud Integration Hub. The Informatica Cloud Integration Hub server changes the status of the publication event to complete or error, and then triggers subscription processing. In publications, mapping is the data mapping between the publication source and the Informatica Cloud Integration Hub publication repository. This mapping could be a Dss task or a mapping configuration task created in Informatica Cloud org. This Informatica Cloud task reads data from the source and publishes to the topic tables. Task targets must include at least one of the topic tables and must not include any target table that is not defined in the topic. In the publication mapping, you can apply logic and rules to format or cleanse the data according to a requirement. If the rules are simple, you can create a Dss task. For complex logic, you can use Cloud Mapping Designer to create a mapping, and then create an MCT to configure that mapping. While creating a task in Informatica Cloud org, you will use Cloud Integration Hub connection to configure your target in the task. You can create a publication in two ways. Click New in the Navigator pane and select Publication, or choose to create a new publication while creating or editing an application. To create a new publication, you must specify publication properties, which includes general information about the publication, application, topic, and task to use for the publication and publication scheduling. The displayed screenshot shows a sample publication page. Properties of publication are publication name. The name can contain up to 60 characters and can contain special characters. Description. The optional description can contain up to 255 characters. Mode. Publication mode can be set as enabled or disabled. A disabled publication does not run according to schedule or by an external API. You can only run a disabled publication from the Explore page manually. Application. Here you specify the application that publishes the data. This application acts as a source for publication mapping. Topic. Select the topic to which the application publishes the data. This topic acts as a target in the publication mapping. Task. Select an Informatica Cloud task that must be executed to publish the data from application to the selected topic. Scheduling. You can run a publication manually or by using an external trigger, or by scheduling the event. In this demonstration, instructor will create publication using a Dss task and an MCT. In this demo, we will create two publications to load data in Salesforce data topic. We have already created the Salesforce data topic, which consists of two tables: Contact Table and Account 1 table. The first publication will retrieve the contact data from Salesforce and will load it to Contact Table in Salesforce data topic. Here we will run a Dss task to publish the data. The second publication will retrieve the accounts data from Salesforce and load it to Account 1 table in Salesforce data topic. In this case, we will run an MCT, which will convert the phone number to the required format. To start the demo, we will create a Dss task. To do so, log into informatica.cloud.org. The Informatica Cloud overview page appears. Hover over Task Wizards and select the Data Synchronization option. In the Data Synchronization Tasks page, click the New button. Enter pub contact SFDC data in the task name field. Select Insert from the Task Operation dropdown. Click Next. From the Source step, select the CIH Salesforce connection from the Connection dropdown and keep the source type to single. To select the source object, click the Select button. Choose Contact from the pop-up window and click Select. Click Next. In the Target step, select the Cloud Integration Hub connection from the drop-down list. This connection helps us to access the Informatica Cloud Integration Hub topics. To select the target object, click the Select button. Choose Salesforce Data Contact. Here, Salesforce Data is the topic name and Contact is the table name. Now to map the fields, click the Field Mapping step. Map all the fields of the target with a suitable source field. Click the lookup icon for Account Name Target field. In the Field Lookup window for Account Name field, from the Lookup Connection dropdown, select CIH Salesforce. For Lookup Object, select Account. For Source field, select Account ID. For Lookup field, select Account ID, and for Output field, select Account Name. Click OK. Validate the mapping. After the mapping is validated, save and close the task. We will now create a publication, which will leverage the Dss task to publish the contact data from Salesforce to Contact Table of Salesforce data. Log in to the Informatica Cloud Integration Hub. The home page consisting of the Hub Overview page appears. Click New from the Navigator pane to create a new publication. Select Publication from the pop-up window. In the New Publication page, enter Contact SFDC DSS in the Publication Name field. Let's keep the mode to default, which is Enable. Select Salesforce from the Application dropdown. Select Salesforce Data from the Topic dropdown. Here, Salesforce Application is the source and Salesforce Data topic is the target. Select Pub Contact SFDC Data from the Task dropdown. This is the same DSS task that we created in the first step. In the Schedule section, you can schedule the publication as per your organization's requirement. For the demonstration purpose, let's keep it to every 1 minute. Click Save to save the publication. After 1 minute, click the Events option from the Navigator pane. Here we can observe that the contact SFGC DSS has been executed successfully. Now we will create another publication using an MCT. Consider that you have a phone number in your source data, which includes symbols such as bracket, hyphen, and so on, and you want to remove such symbols before loading it to the Informatica Cloud Integration Hub. To accomplish the above task, let's create a mapping. Log into informatica.cloud.org. Hover over Design and select Mappings. Click the New Mapping button. Enter the mapping name as MPub SFGC ACC CIH and click OK. The mapping canvas appears. To add a source, drag and drop Source Transformation on the canvas. Name the source as SRC in the General Properties section. In the Source Properties, select CIH Salesforce from the Connection dropdown and source type as Single Object. To select the object, click the Select button. Select Account from the list of objects in the pop-up window and click OK. Now we will add another source transformation to the mapping. Name the source SRC1 in the General Properties section. In the Source Properties, select a flat file connection from the Connection dropdown and Single Object from Source Type dropdown. To select the object, click the Select button. Select Account Type from the list of objects in the pop-up window and click OK. Next, we will add a joiner transformation to the mapping. Click the plus sign on the transformation. Link SRC to the master and SRC1 to the detail. Name the transformation as JNR-ACC. Select the Join Condition option in the Properties pane. A message saying Field Name Conflicts Detected will be displayed. Click the Resolve Field Name Conflicts link. I will rename the field names of the detail source. Select Prefix from the Bulk Rename option dropdown beside SRC1. Enter FF in the Specify field and click OK. Keep the join type as normal. To add a join condition, click the plus icon. From the Master dropdown, select Account Number, and from the Detail dropdown, select FF Account ID. Now drag and drop an expression transformation on the canvas. Link JNR-ACC to the expression transformation. Name the transformation EXP Phone Format. Select the expression option. Click the arrow icon at the right corner of the Properties section. Select New Field from the dropdown. Name the field as Number Formatting. Select Output Field from the Field Type dropdown. Keep Type and Precision as default. Click OK. Click the Configure link beside the Number Formatting field. In the Expression section, enter the expression as shown on your screen. Click the Validate button to validate the expression and click OK. To add a target, drag and drop the target transformation on the canvas. Link EXP Phone Format to the target. Here we are parameterizing the target because we must have at least one parameterized target, which will be configured in the Mapping Configuration task. Name the target as TGT in the General Properties section. Select Target option. To create a parameterized connection, click New Parameter. Name the parameter as TGT Param Connection and click OK. Select Parameter from the Target Type dropdown. From the Parameter field, click New Parameter. Enter CIH topic in the name field and click OK. Select the Field Mapping option. Change the field mapping option from manual to completely parameterized. Click the New Parameter button. Enter param CIH field in the name field and click OK. Validate the mapping. Hover over Save and select Save and New Mapping Configuration Task. The New Mapping Configuration Task page appears. Enter MCT, pub, SFDC, account, CIH in the task name field. Select the runtime environment and click Next. In the Target tab, select Cloud Integration Hub from TGT Param Connection dropdown. Select Salesforce Data or Account 1 from the CIH Object dropdown. Click Next. In the Input Parameters tab, map the required fields. Map the number formatting field to phone. Validate the mapping. Hover over Save and click Save and Close. I will now create a new publication. To do so, log into the Informatica Cloud Integration Hub using the credentials. Select New from the Navigator pane and select Publication. In the New Publication page, enter Account, SFDC, MTT in the Publication Name field. Let's keep the mode to default, that is, Enable. Select Salesforce from the Application dropdown. Select Salesforce Data from the Topic dropdown. Here, Salesforce Application is the source and Account Topic is the target. Select MCT, Pub, SFDC, Account, CIH from the Task dropdown. In the Schedule section, you can schedule the publication as per your organization's requirement. For the demonstration purpose, let's keep it to every 1 minute. Click Save to save the publication. After 1 minute, click the Events option from the Navigator pane. Here we can observe that the account SFDC MTT has been executed successfully. To view a pictorial representation of various entities and their dependencies, on the Hub Overview page, from the topic circle, select Salesforce Data. The Hub Overview will drill down to Salesforce Data topic. Observing the Hub Overview diagram, we can understand that topic Salesforce Data gets data from 2 publications in Cloud Integration Hub. Secondly, the 2 publications publishing the data to this topic are Account SFDC MTT and Contact SFDC DSS. And both the publications are coming from the Salesforce application in Cloud Integration Hub. Similarly, we can comprehend the Hub Overview diagram for various entities. This concludes the demo. In this lab, you will perform the following. Create and run a publication using a Dss task and using MCT. This concludes Publications in Informatica Cloud Integration Hub module. This module showed you how to explain publication and publication process, describe publication mappings, define publication properties, and create publication.